for today's Dollar Tree haul, you want to start off by grabbing one of these suction brush holders, the Pop Dot adhesive, which is double-sided, a pack of nails, which I think these are Sally, the diamond nail file, this nail clipper if needed, which today I don't think it was needed. Nail glue. Now this one is by Ioni. You can also use one that brushes on, or you can use nail tapes. Some art tools. These are specifically crafting art tools, but you can use all of these tools for nails as well, including this dotting tool. Some nail polish remover by Luxury, and some glitter, because today we are doing none other than yes, you've seen it on the screen and heard it here first. We are doing Coraline nails, DIY Coraline nails. Now, I do not do nails. I am not a nail artist, a nail tech, or nothing like that. So I am doing my own little DIY for this because I'm using some products from Temu, and I will link that short so you will be able to see me finish these nails off, any parts that are missing from this video, because we're focusing on Dollar Tree products, $1.25. So I am taking the Pop Dot adhesive. It is double-sided, so it sticks on both sides. I'm using that brush suction holder to tape these nails on. I had the greatest idea given to me from my mom, so I didn't have to buy one of those more professional nail magnetic tool holders. I can just use this, and this one is great. It's cheap. The Dollar Tree is right up the store. Another thing you can do is cut the sections off, so if you wanted to use it for the nail section by section, you can do that as well. But this is a great holder because it does have the 3 suctions, so it will stay hooked to the table. I went ahead and taped on 10 nails, and again, I'm just showing you guys that it is a brush holder, so while you are doing your nails, you can go ahead and slide your brush on through. I am also using this nail polish from CV. This is also at the Dollar Tree. Now, this is just a top coat, but they do have this specific nail polish in a base / top coat as well, but I'm using it as a base coat. Doesn't make that much of a difference. I mean, you can just go ahead and, you know, get as many different products as you need. I'm also using another product from that CV brand, and this is the white nail polish. And any other nail polish that I use for these nails that I don't show you, that means they are not at the Dollar Tree. Now, I just said that the products that I don't show you that's not at the Dollar Tree are the nail polishes. These nail polishes, the blue one and the black one, are not at the Dollar Tree either, but that blue glitter is. And I had a great idea, since I didn't have any blue tone glitter nail polish, was to mix it in. Now, this is a thicker glitter. You really want to work with fine, like I know what I'm doing, like I know what I'm talking about, but you really want to work with fine glitter when applying on the nail because it is thicker. The top coats will help to smooth the nail out, but again, just to stick with the theme, because of course the sweater that Coraline had in the movie, well, I've been seeing everybody like do the blue glitter shift for her sweater and then the yellow star. So yeah, I'm doing the blue glitter shift with the yellow stars as well. Let's just put it that way. Next tool I'm using is the dotting tool, and I'm taking the black nail polishes and just dotting it on around there. This dotting tool is really nice. Now, they did have a Dollar Tree that was selling 3 in a pack, and they were the longer ones. And then this one had the 2 brushes with it, and it was like the mini travel size. Now, I do like this because it's so short that it allows you to get closer to the nail. So I prefer this over the longer ones. I have been using the longer brushes on and off to help me paint these nails as well, besides just the nail polish brush. But this little brush that I'm using is the one I think that came in that set, and it has a more curved shape to it, which is what I'm using to draw on the star. Now, I cannot, you guys know, even on my drawing channel, I cannot draw small, so it was definitely hard for me to draw a star. I've never been that great at drawing 5-point stars anyway. So this was no surprise, but I still made it through. You just gotta take your time and then just fill it in. Now, about this LA Colors nail art, I have been for years looking at these. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree and I'm in the nail section, I'm always looking at these art nail polishes. The brush is good, but the nail polish is not. It's like kind of sticky and gooey in a way, which I do not like how it applies. You can see that I use that to tap the white onto the button that I painted black. And then I'm also using it to do like little squiggly type of lines around the other mother. I do not like how this applies at all. It's a little bit more on a goopy side as well. Like it's not a smooth nail polish. So I would recommend using the brush, but another white nail polish like the CV one. I went ahead and used that CV top coat to top coat all of the nail polishes, and this was the last one I had to top coat. This is a really good brand at the Dollar Tree, that CV, so I would recommend it. And this is also how the nails turned out. Now, I did show in that short that I used the Temu handheld fan to dry this and speed up the process as I was painting, because these, again, I'm not using like any gel or UV lighting to help things dry quicker, so I had to speed up the process by using a fan. I didn't do it here because I knew I wasn't going to be touching the table. But like I said again, if you're worried about anything tipping over, these are 3 suction cups at the bottom of this brush holder. So this is another reason why I said like this would be a great dupe slash DIY to hold your nails on. So I'm just taking all of the nails off so we can go ahead and use that Ioni glue to glue them on. But I am first going to use these tweezers. I think these tweezers are also from the Dollar Tree, but I'm just pulling the tape off the back, and it came off rather easy. I think like the sticky part of the tape was kind of stuck on the back, but that would make it even better for sticking to the nail, but it was just like a thin sheet if that was left on the nail. I'm taking a jumbo pack of cotton balls from Walmart, which is Equate's brand, to use that nail polish remover to remove any extra nail polish I had on from painting these nails. Now, I do not recommend the cotton balls at the Dollar Tree. I think it comes in like that green bag. It is so stringy and the quality is so bad. The quality is usually good on these cotton balls, but I think I picked one that was a little stringy itself. But yeah, I do not recommend those from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to be using that diamond nail file, and I was happy to find this because I was watching some other nail tutorials on YouTube, and everybody who got these tools from the Dollar Tree were saying that this was like the best nail file, and it is so good. Like I love the square type of design of it because it makes it easy to grip as you're filing down your nails. I'm filing down around the sides and the top and the front of it as well. Like I said, I'm no nail tech, so I don't be cutting my cuticles, the dead skin, and all of that stuff, you know. I just do the basics. And then I'm going to go over the nails with alcohol just to make sure there's no residue from anything left on my nails and that they are also nice and dry to apply the glue. Now the last step for this, we are going to be using that nail glue from Ioni. This takes me right back to my childhood when I was a kid, sometimes trying to put on fake nails, and I would use the nail glue just like this and squeeze it out, and it was so messy, it would get everywhere. Yeah, this was just as messy. It was all over my fingers, but I would recommend, well, I couldn't recommend it because I haven't tried it myself, but I'll recommend it to you when I know how it works. I'm gonna next time try the nail brush glue so I can brush on the glue rather than squeezing it out like this, because yeah, this is just so messy and I'm not able to apply it all over the nail like I want to. It is a really good nail glue. It's just messy. That's the only downside. Now to wrap it up, I am finally finished. This is how the nails turned out. I love them. I think I put the middle finger and the ring finger nails on the wrong side because I had a little bit of a space left on my nails, but yeah, it still turned out really good. I'm going to take you guys to some better lighting on the iPhone so you can see. I'm using my Sony a5000 camera, and because that one flips, that's how come I'm able to see it, so I don't have to use the computer as a monitor to see what I'm doing on the nails. So that's why the quality is not as good on this part of the video, but it's going to get better in 3, 2, 1. And here are the nails fully in full effect. I love how they turned out. I'm so happy because through this, I was a little like nervous that they wasn't going to come out good, but I think they came out pretty good. But please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will leave everything that, well, I can't leave it linked because it's at the Dollar Tree. So just drive to your local Dollar Tree and find some of these tools then. I will also link the short so you guys can see me apply the other core line parts to these nails, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!